At ito na yung, oh my God, my dream camera is already here. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hi everyone, Andy here. And for today's video guys, actually dumating na yung order ko from the Amazon. So, guys, hindi to sponsored. I actually ordered this last week because it's really my dream to have this device. Alam nyo naman, always ako mag-travel guys, but I'm using only my phone, and then so why not buy this camera from DJI. Actually, the name of this product is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm so excited guys. So I ordered this last week in Amazon. So dumating na siya guys. So ito yung box niya. So I'm so excited with my new DJI Pocket 3. So matagal ko na talaga tong pangarap tong magkaroong ganito, but it's a little bit pricey. So tiis-tiis lang, save hindi to from ano guys ha. Nag-save talaga ako guys. Nag-save talaga ako ng matagal before ako nakabili nito. So it's really my dream to have this one because every time we go travel, I'm using my phone, and then bulky kasi yung phone, napakabigat, tapos ang daling, alam niyo naman yung iPhone is ang dali mag uminit. So I read this DJI Pocket 3. I ordered this one because I know it's already naka-combo na siya guys. So all in one na siya baga. So first is the cover. It's a cover. May cover siya guys. Look at guys. Look at the cover. And then this one is the tripod. So if you're going to put this somewhere, may handle na siya guys. So ang tibay ng tripod ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So siya lang siya guys ha. At may ano to? I think para iwas madamage yung item mo. Charot. Ang ganda ng DJI. Ano to? I think it's the anong pangalan nito? Yung extra battery niya. Yun. So, may extra battery siya guys para hindi siya madaling lobat. So, let's open that. So honored! Like an honor student. Oh my God. So, it's brand new guys from Amazon. It's talaga guys. Ilang buwan ko talaga to siya pinag-ipunan. So sa DJI Pocket 3 is may na siya guys, may microphone na siya guys na kasama. So kung combo yung bibilhin mo, may kasama na siyang microphone. Maganda kasi yung microphone sa DJI. So I'm using this. Actually, I'm using also DJI here microphone, and then so it's already included naman. So ito yung DJI microphone nila. Kasama ng microphone is they also have cat's tail. So you're going to para hindi yung pag nasa labas ka guys, and then hindi siya ganun. Ay, napaka nice. So para even nasa labas ka, clear pa rin yung boses mo. So loud and clear pa rin yung boses mo. So ito yung ikakabit dito sa microphone. Charot lang. And then may adapter siya. So may adapter siya for charging. Ito pala yung ano. Akala ko tong adapter. Ito pala yung additional battery ng DJI para hindi siya malobat. Hindi pala to, but I don't know. Ano ba to? Parang connector to. So ito yung battery. Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god, tao lang. So ito yung battery niya sa additional battery niya para hindi ka malobat. So ito yung adapter and then battery. So inclusive na siya sa binili kong DJI, guys. So ano to? Charot, may handle para hindi siya mahulog. Guys, itong DJI 3 Pocket 3, guys, hindi to gay ha. Uy, ang daming to? Ang daming inclusive na. Actually, I don't know what's this, but I'm trying to check what is the DJI mic clip magnet. Naka-magnet, para magnet lang to siya. Dito ilalagay. Magnet lang siya, guys. Magnet lang pala. Akala ko isang magnet. So just in case, if you're going to put here in your t-shirt. Ganon lang siya, guys. So magnet pala siya, guys. Akala ko Oh my god. So it's pure magnet lang siya. So it's already inclusive sa binili kong combo. At ito, ano naman to? Ito yung binili ko, guys. Kasi ito yung, ano bang tawag nito? Ito yung Apple lens. Kasi yung DJI is, if you're already outside, ito yung nagpapa-clear even sun. So, if sunny yung day and then it's too clear. So, parang ito yung sunglass ng camera mo. Ganon siya, guys. So, so nice. So, ikakabit mo na to siya. Magnetic lang siya. It's only magnetic. Ikakabit mo to sa yung camera. So, ano pa? Meron pa ba dito? Baka may dito. At ito na yung, oh my god, my dream camera is already here. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Actually may 2, but ang 2 kasi is I want upgrade. Crush ko yung 2, Pocket 2, but gusto ko itong Pocket 3 kasi it's more updated. At ito yung reason na binili ko siya kasi napaka hand carry lang niya at hindi siya mabigat. And then every time napupunta ako somewhere or may travel ako, dala-dala ko lang to. So pwede naman sa cellphone ko, sa handy ko. Actually ang disadvantage lang talaga ng cellphone is dali siyang uminit, and then napaka-bulky nga siya, guys. Napaka-bulky niya. Mabigat siya sa kamay ko. So ito, parang fit lang talaga siya sa kamay ko. Tapos you've noticed this, ito yung pang reels ko. Pero if you're going to something like that, ito yung pang, oh my god! Nakita nyo, guys? Na-on na siya, guys. So if I'm using YouTube for taking video for YouTube, ito yung gagamitin ko. So if I'm going to do reels or for Instagram, ito yung gagamitin ko. So nakita nyo, guys, hindi ko pa siya hinawakan, nag-ano na siya. So ito yung niya, isi-set up ko pa ito, and I don't know, I'll just watch video. Hindi ko pa siya talaga na set up. So may gimbal na siya, guys. So if you've noticed, gumagalaw-galaw na siya. So napakaganda dito kasi puma-follow siya kung saan ka magpunta at hindi yung shaky yung yung video mo in the future. So yan lang guys. So I also have this bag. So napakaliit ng bag. So it's already heel inclusive na sa binili ko. So I need to set up pa to because it's really new. Napaka ang ganda ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3 guys. Look at this. So cute talaga. So I'll be using this to my travel vlogs in the future. Napaka hand carry lang talaga niya. Look at the camera. Ang cute niya. So ito pala yung pag gagamitin mo yung lens niya. Sinasabi kong if you're going to use parang sunglass siya ng camera. So magnetic lang siya. So automatic lang siya na didikit sa camera mo. So I'm so excited not to set up this one guys. So thank you for watching. If you have question or clarification or any violent reaction, just comment down below and I'm so happy to answer all. Ay, nahulog siya guys. Answer all your questions. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'm going to set up na this one. Cheers!